Hey, what's up, everyone? This is Jimmy, aka Savvy Crypto Investor. It's about 2:44 a.m. in the morning. I just started my officially 40th day with BitConnect. Um, I should have made this video on day 38. I certainly could have made it on day 39, but I figured now's the best time. I'm a little bit of a night out anyways. So I figured since I just finished day 39 and I'm just starting day 40, I would go ahead and do the video. So I want to give you an update on BitConnect. I hope you like my new video intro. Let's go ahead and click into my dashboard. As you can see, I have $16.54 in my lending wallet. Ideally, like I said, I would have invested this $10 back on the 38th day, or I could have done it yesterday, but I got sidetracked and I didn't do it. So there we go. If you go to transactions and you click on lending wallet, you can see all the transactions over the last couple days that have been deposited. Since it's 2:44, 2:46, I actually just got another deposit for 8 cents. I'm going to go ahead and make this deposit while you're sitting here with me. I'm going to go ahead and hit the reinvest button, select all of my accrued balance. I'm going to leave the leftover in there since they're not going to do anything with it anyways. And I'm going to go ahead and hit the reinvest button. Hit confirm, and then I'll hit close. And there we go. I'm back down to $6.54. And if you click on the lend BitConnect and then the volatility software interest button, you'll see that on the 3rd we earned 1.24%, which is great. And then on the 4th we dropped down to 0.23, but then right back up on the 5th we got 0.81, and then it looks like today, actually that's already tomorrow. It's currently It's currently the 5th of December where I'm at right now in California. So this is showing us the next day cycle, which has already started to begun in some parts of the world. Let's go look at our last 6 months average. It's 0.94. Now this has dropped a little bit. Normally the 6-month average is 0.96, but there's been a lot of volatility with Bitcoin, and so that's had a tremendous impact. Plus, some people have been spreading some FUD around, and I'm not going to say it really hurt BitConnect, because BitConnect is currently at $331 per BitConnect coin. So of course BTC right now is at 11,647, which is amazing that it continues to go up. A lot of people have projected that that's going to go up to 20,000 possibly by Christmas. So that would be amazing if it happens. Certainly, I wish I had put more money into Bitcoin when I had the chance, but hey, everything happens for a reason. So let's go back to this real quick. I want to show you my calculator. I'm keeping track of all this in my spreadsheet, and as you can see here, on the 3rd we got 1.24%, and as you can see here, I had accumulated a little over $11. I certainly could have made that deposit on that day. However, it didn't happen. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to show you that without making any additional deposits, without updating my information here, it looks like I should be able to, this is the 6th, so tomorrow, it looks like I would be able to invest another $10. But I'm going to update this real quick because this is how the system works. So currently I'm basing this off of 0.96, which was the last 6-month average. But if I drop this down and I follow this formula, oh, made a mistake when I did this. How about shift %, hit enter, and we're back. Okay, so it looks like on the 6th, nothing's going to change too much. But as you can see, I'm getting closer and closer to making my $10 investment every other day, which is going to be fantastic because that means I'm going to start making my money back a lot faster, which I'm very excited about. And let's see, when's my first $10 daily? It's going to be February 5th. So because the interest has been a little lower the last couple days, and there's a couple particular days, let's see, where it was, let's see, 0.51, 0.66, 0.42. We have a 0.19, a 0.11%, and a 0.23%. So all these days actually impacted the date that I would move to daily reinvestment. So it was January 30th, now it's February 6th. So you can kind of see that while the system works, while this platform works, it fluctuates. You know, if all of a sudden we have a couple days of 1.9 or 1.8 or even 2, or God forbid that we get up to 2.5 or 3, and it has happened where BitConnect is paid out up to 5%. I'd have to go show you the chart for that, but it is possible. It has gotten that high before. But if we were to hit those kind of numbers a couple days in a row, I might be right back to the January 30th date. So the truth is this is dynamic, okay? So it's going to fluctuate, and let's see when my first $20 payment would be. February 21st. That would be awesome. And then my first $20 daily would be April 19th. You know what? I think that's my grandpa's birthday. That's amazing. Wouldn't that be great to get such a rewarding return on my investment on my actual grandpa's birthday? It's also my cousin Jenny's birthday too, so shh. Okay, so that's pretty much it, guys. I mean, I've been investing in this platform. I'm thinking about putting more money in because I like what I see. I'm very confident in what's coming down the road. You know, pretty soon I'm going to be able to pull my money back out, the original investment, and after that, I mean, it's just extra money at that point. So there are other people posting videos about how much money they're starting to make. Some of them are upwards in the hundreds of thousands of dollars now because they've already been doing this for a year. And actually, now that I think about it, let's go look at 365 days. If I continue to reinvest and earn all my compound interest daily, let's look at 365 days. Excuse me. We're looking at $12,040. Now, that's without reinvesting another dime. Some people are so happy with what results they're getting that they're investing $1,000 at a time. Some five, some even $10,000, $1,000. And of course, let's just put this in perspective real quick. If I decided tomorrow would be December 6th, if I decided tomorrow to drop $1,100 into the account, you could see very quickly that I would start accumulating $100 a day in profit. And let's go back to 365 days again. You would see that I should have somewhere roughly around $220,000 and 930. I'm sorry, $222,930. So that's how some of these guys are doing this. They've already been in the system for 6 months or a year. They've invested 5 or even 10,000 in, sometimes once, sometimes more than once. But keep in mind that they're reinvesting the full balance of their earnings almost every single day. And maybe at some point they stop doing that and they start taking out profits. I mean, come on, when you get to $1,000 a day, where is that at? Yeah, right here. So that's at day 286. So if I take $10,000 and I put it in there, 10,010 by the way, not $10,000, but 10,010, and I start earning daily interest off of that, and I put it back in the system every single day, after 286 days, I should start being able to pull out $1,000. And if you do that, certainly you're going to affect your opportunity to earn more money compounding. But if you just do that for 10 days, I mean, just 10 days, get that money right back out and then let it sit in there the rest of the time, you're just going to accumulate more cash, and you're probably going to delay your 222,000 by 10 days roughly. So, I mean, is it really that bad of a potential? No, not at all. I think it's great, and I don't think you're going to get the same kind of earnings by putting your money in a bank, and that's probably why banks are so scared right now. Not just because of Bitcoin, but also because of what BitConnect offers and what the future holds for them. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Please thumbs up and like the video. Um, if you have any comments or questions, please post them below. I'd love to correspond with you and answer any questions you may have. And don't forget to hit subscribe and the little bell button next to the subscribe button so that you can be notified the next time we upload a video. Thanks so much. Have a great day.